Hi there, boys and girls. It's Teacher Ashley. This is our last lesson of the school year you're going to have from me. And we are going to talk about summer today. Isn't that so exciting? Just the word summer just makes me think of sunshine and flowers and being outside. So summer starts in June, but we haven't finished May yet. So let's do calendar. Today our number is 26. It's a 2 and a 6. That's a lot of counting we have to do. I hope you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of counting. You did so good. So today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. Yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Do you know what, boys and girls? Next Tuesday, it will be June, and it's the day that you get to come get your bags from teachers, and we are so excited to see you because it will be summer, and maybe we'll get sunshine. So let's talk about summer. Here is our poster for summer. What do you notice about this tree? I see there are lots of green leaves. That tree is full of leaves because in the summer, that's when things are still growing. Remember when we talked about spring? So the plants still have lots of leaves. There are lots of flowers. Summer is just such a beautiful time, and it's warm. So the other seasons we've had, let's see, we just talked about spring. And spring is what we're finishing up right now. Sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's cold. It usually rains a lot, but that's when the flowers start to grow and the plants get really happy. That's when the animals woke up or came back from far away. And before springtime, it was really, really cold. Do you remember what season is really, really cold? Winter. Winter is really cold. Sometimes there's snow. Around here we get lots of wind. The plants aren't growing. They're all trying to sleep underground and stay safe. The trees all look really empty unless they're covered in snow. The animals are asleep, or maybe they flew or swam somewhere warmer. That's what winter looks like. And before winter, we had fall or autumn. This one says autumn. See, it starts with that big letter A. And what did that look like? Were the plants growing? Is it warm? No. Fall is when the leaves fall from the tree. Remember, we talked about how it was starting to turn colors outside when school first started. So when we get to come back to school again, we will start talking about fall. And you'll notice it won't be warm anymore. It'll start to get cooler. The plants will start to go back to sleep, and the leaves will fall from the trees. But that's not where we are now. Let's talk about summer. I have a book for you today called Why Is It Summer? Look at those kids. Can you tell where they are? I think they're at the beach. Would you go to the beach in the wintertime? No way, too cold. Let's see. What are the seasons? Winter, spring, summer, fall. These are the 4 seasons of the year. So we can tell the different colored leaves, that's fall. The snow, that's winter. And spring, oh, look at those beautiful flowers. Each season lasts about 3 months. The seasons change from cold to warm, then back to cold. Summer is the warmest season. Look at that. That would be a cool place to visit in the summer. When is it summer? When the North Pole, that's the top of the earth, tilts towards the sun, the north part of the earth has summer. When the South Pole tilts toward the sun, the south part of the earth has summer. So the north where we live, that's when it gets cold and we have winter because we're further away from the sun that keeps us warm. The earth goes around the sun one time each year and it tilts, or it's a little bit sideways as it goes around. The first day of summer for us in North America is around June 21st, so we still have a couple more weeks. How does the Earth's tilt make summer weather warm? Let's look at summer in the north part of the Earth. That's where we live, right up here. The north part of the Earth tilts towards the sun in summer. The sun's rays fall straight on this part of the Earth. This makes summer sunlight very strong. So the sunlight's really strong up here where the sun is getting straight, and then the further you go south, go down to the bottom, it's pointing away. The sun's rays hit the earth on an angle and they're not as strong, so they're having winter when we have summer. What else makes summer warm? Summer days have more hours of sunlight than winter days. Have you noticed how bright it is when you wake up in the morning? And is there still sunshine when you're trying to go to sleep at night? I know my kids have a hard time sometimes going to sleep because they say, but Mom, it's still sunny out. I said, I know, but it's actually nighttime. There is more time to warm the air, the water, and the land. But sometimes the summer heat also causes rain, wind, thunder, and lightning. But that's just the clouds. It's not scary. How do summer days help plants grow? Plants use sunlight to make food. Plants get water from summer rains. And sometimes if it doesn't rain enough, do you have to water your garden? Or do Mom and Dad water the grass? This food and water helps plants grow. From the short grass to the tall trees, many plants grow fast in the summer. Many plants have colorful flowers in the summer. We just talked about butterflies, and this is telling us that bees and butterflies spread pollen from plant to plant. Then the plant can make seeds, and then seeds will make new plants. You can see the pollen on the bee's legs. Look at that yellow fuzz down there. Happy little honeybee. Doing good work. What do animals do in the summer? Look at that chipmunk. He's so cute. Leafy trees and bushes make good homes for birds and other animals. There is plenty of food for the animals to eat. Young animals grow and learn about their world in the summer. There's some deer and possums. We have both of those animals here in the Linden area. What do farmers do in the summer? Summer is a busy time for farmers. The summer sunlight makes crops grow fast. Farmers grow wheat for our bread. They grow juicy peaches and crunchy carrots for us to eat. Around here we have lots of corn and apples and potatoes. I love seeing all the plants grow. I think my favorite is the raspberries though. Raspberries and potatoes. What do children do in the summer? What do you like to do when it's warm? Most schools have a summer break. This is a good time to go on a trip. Many people like to go swimming, hiking, or camping. What do you like to do on long summer days? This family's going on a bike ride. What's that kid doing? My kids have already done that. We had some warm spring days. He's playing in the sprinkler. All right, and that is the end of our Why Is It Summer story. Let's see what else. I have some fun cards, and you have to think in your head, or you can say it out loud. Do you do these things in the summer? Let's see. Who knows what that's a picture of? That's a barbecue. Do you like to grill food or eat food that mom or dad cook outside? Have some hamburgers and hot dogs, or some chicken wings, or you like to grill veggies. I love walking in the neighborhood and I can smell people cooking food. It makes me so hungry for my dinner. Oh, what is this treat? It's extra special when it's hot outside because it feels so good. Ice cream. Oh, that's a happy sun. Look at that sun hanging out up in the sky. But what do you need to put on if you're going to be outside in the sun? You better put on some sunscreen. You have to stay safe. You don't want to get burnt. That hurts. Your skin turns all red. You also have to protect your eyes. Do you have sunglasses? They keep the sun from being so bright in your face. If the sun is so bright, it's hard to see, so you put on sunglasses. Here's the beach. Looks like they built a sand castle. Ooh, what are these kids doing? They're playing in a little pool. That is a good way to cool off in the hot sun summer. Do you know what that is? That's a tent. Now, some families like to go camping in tents. Some families like to go camping in a big trailer. Some families take a tent and they put it in their backyard. Have you ever done that? That's a fun way to spend a summer night. What do you wear on your feet in the summertime? Do you wear snow boots? No. Do you wear rain boots? No. You wear flip-flops, otherwise your toes get too hot. But if you're gonna ride your bike or your scooter or a skateboard, you gotta wear shoes that protect your toes. Those flip-flops, sometimes they flip-flop right off your feet. And the last thing, look at that beautiful garden. All those happy plants from the nice warm sun. All right, well, thank you for learning about summer. I have a fun craft idea. So if you want to tell your grown-ups, teacher has a paper plate. That's it. It could be whatever size you have. And I used a marker and I drew a little circle in the middle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Now, that doesn't look like much, but if you take paint or crayons or markers and you add some color to those spaces, what does that look like? Does that look like a beach ball? And if you have a strong paper plate, you can even use it as a frisbee. So this is a fun craft. If you need something to do for summer, you can make yourself a beach ball frisbee. Isn't that silly? All right, boys and girls, I hope that I get to see you in 1 week, June 2nd, somewhere between 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. We'll be waiting for you with bags of goodies and lots of love from all your teachers. We'll hope to see you soon.